Okay, so this morning our lesson is on sums of 5, 6, and 7. And one thing that you can do is make flashcards, just like I did here. 5 plus 0 equals, and the answer is on the back, 5. So I did that for each one. And so what I also did was I made some manipulatives on here, and we have, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hearts, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. And so let's go ahead and make a 10 frame. And I'm going to draw it. No, it's not going to be beautiful, but this is one way that you can do this. You can draw your own 10 frame to help you count. And then how many boxes do I need? I need 10. There's 2. Oops. There's 4. There's 6. There's 8. And then I'll put, and I could have just put a box on here, but let's draw it. And then we can erase that to fix it. Okay, so there's our squiggly 10 frame. Okay, so in order to add, let's do 5 plus 0. So I'm going to start with my stars. And so I would move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 0, because I have 5 on top and I have 0 on the bottom. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. And so I'm clearing out my box. And now let's look at how we could show 4 plus 1. How do you think I could show 4 plus 1 with my stars and my hearts? One thing that I can do is this. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4 stars plus 1 heart equals how many? It equals 5. And then I would write my problem. I would write it 4 plus 1 equals 5. There's my math problem. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And so that's how I would write my math problem. And let's change our numbers black so that we can see. Now let's make it a little bit bigger. There you go, so you can see it. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. We would write the equation for that. Let's do another problem. Oh, I gotta turn my text box off. I am learning a lot about Zoom. So we're all gonna be Zoom masters when this is done. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's look at one of our other problems. Let's do 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. And so parents, what's one thing you could do is once you make your flashcards, and I'm gonna flash all of them in a minute. Once you make your flashcards, then you could pull a card and let them use manipulatives, noodles, pennies, to show you the math problem with the object and then write the equation. So if we're doing 6 plus 1, we're going to start with our stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I only have 5 stars, so I need to use another one of these because I need 6 plus, I need 1 more. 6 plus 1. And what's 6 plus 1? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And so I would write my equation, 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. And so you would continue with those problems. And we could do one more. So let's take our stars and hearts out of our 10 frame. And let's do 3 plus 3. Let's do 3 plus 3. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 3 stars and 3 hearts. And so let's write our equation together. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And let's go through our flashcards. And you can make the problem as we go. I'll give you a few minutes to use your manipulatives to make the problem. 3 plus 2. What does it equal? 5. 2 plus 3. 1 plus 4. 0 plus 5. And make sure you're using your 10 frame to find the answer. And you're right, all of those I just showed equaled 5. All of those I showed equaled 5. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 5 equals 7. 1 plus 6 0 plus 7. You're right. All of those will equal 7. 6 plus 0 5 plus 1 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 0 3 plus 3. 2 plus 4. 1 plus 5. 0 plus 6. 1 plus 6. So those are the flashcards that you can make. And then, like I said, a game that you can play is you could shuffle your cards, pull a card, use your 10 frame to show how many, and then write your equation,